Hello from Vision Tech Shop, and we'll go over how to reset VLP-100 to factory setting. Press blue menu key, then press number 5, Service. Then press 6, Reset All. Shortcut to reset the scale is by pressing blue menu key, then S40 key. Before you enter the password, press the calibration switch. Press the calibration switch with a thin rod. Now enter the password 920202. Press print key to confirm. Reset to default. Prompt will pop up. Press print key to select yes. Booting screen will show. When the reset is complete, the scale will go back to the main screen. Now the scale is back to factory setting. Thank you for choosing Vision Tech Shop. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.